Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla, and this is some real sad news. You see me I say? People come out in them numbers from Sterling Castle and Red Hills and so forth and block the road in protest of the missing 8-year-old child that is called Shante Skyers. Shante Skyers has been missing from Thursday, the 11th of April, you know, last seen when she left for school, 7 AM that morning, wearing her navy blue tunic and white. You know how it goes for school uniforms in Jamaica. See me? So Sterling Castle, she's from Sterling Castle, St. Andrew, and people are doing this in a protest to make sure that the search for this little girl go through, because it's a must for them find her and know what going on. Alright, so take a look and observe.
I'm very disheartened with what is going on. The residents has taken everything in their hands, and I'm going to be interviewing some of them, you know, to see what is going on. Hello, ma'am. Could you tell me, I'm the principal of Padmore, could you tell me what is going on here, please?
Sent Shante Skyers to school from last week, Thursday.
Yes.
After school, she has not been seen.
Yes.
We can't get anywhere with the Redis police station.
Right.
We keep asking for help and we're not getting anywhere. As far as I know,
yes,
the police that just left here, they are from Content Spring police station. So they asked us to just open one lane in order for vehicles to go about them normal business.
Yes.
And then that they'll return after half an hour. If they don't return, we're going to block back the entire road.
Amen.
We need some closure. We need to know what is happening from them.
But this police told us Saturday to go and search, and when we found out we're supposed to call them. We want to know where we can go.
How can you be serving and protecting? Who you serving and protecting? For police, you don't have any vehicle. And if you go up there 8 o'clock at night, the police doors are closed as if it's some private homes. Come on.
And if you die here, fight with the man, they come and lock up the man.
Yeah? It's solving crime only to target police, taxi men and busmen.
Good police,
the only way to solve crime. We need something. We don't know what is happening out there. 5 days now and we need to hear something.
Well, I've just spent 4 hours at Red Hills, Padmore, and Red Hills had a joint devotion this morning. And while I'm going up, I'm hearing that the road is blocked. So as a community leader, I came to find out what is going on. Yes, definitely. Yes, you have to be here for the student. Why are you here, Mom? Why are you here?
Then take away one little 8-year-old girl from Red Hills all-age school.
Yes.
From Thursday. And nobody we search until now.
So we are here to demonstrate about her.
Because we want her back in the community.
Yes.
So anybody see her anywhere?
Let her go. We need her.
Please, I beg them. Please, I beg them. Please, I beg them. Let her go. Let her go, please.
Yes.
We need her back alive.
This is our
We
teacher
need
already.
her alive.
Yes.
Anyway, she didn't release her.
Yes. Mine.
What that man? We sure know
Well, there you have it, friends. Interesting days here. I've never seen this in all the 40 years I have lived in this community in West Rural, St. Andrew. This is the constituency of Juliet Cuthbert Flynn. I have not seen her on the scene as just yet, and I'm here talking to the residents of why they blocked the road, what is going on, how are they feeling. Now, could you tell me what is going on here? Why are you out? How are you feeling? Yes. They want justice for Shante. 5 days. Yes.
Shante Skyers.
Yes.
We want her alive.
Yes.
We want justice.
Yes.
We don't get no justice. Justice we want.
Yes.
And that we have taken to the streets and the police now do nothing.
Yes.
We want justice.
Yes.
And that we come back today. Justice.
Yes. So the residents are here the thoroughfare is blocked. The police has asked them to open out a lane. The police has asked them to open out a lane that vehicular traffic can pass through. And as you notice, there's a one-way. A principal, a teacher nearly just got hit down by one of the vehicles that was in the that was thoroughfare in the road. So we are here. A good amount of residents are here. The road is blocked from the top to the bottom. This is the main thoroughfare that all vehicles from Steigerville, Rockall, Reddles come through here to go down to Price Right and Meadowbrook and Reddles Road. So this is one of the main thoroughfare. The police is here looking quite helpless. The residents are not letting up. Yes, what have you to say, young lady?
Yeah, me I say them give to see them taking away from Mr. Bucker and what is all. No, we can't see Rowan and Juliet. No representative, we can't see nobody.
Mr. Bucker will find our back long time. Don't do it for him. Any of Mr. Bucker win. Shouldn't even miss so. That's the first thing.
You hear, not me saying it, it's the residents saying it. The residents are very peeved. The one-way traffic now. One-way traffic. This major thoroughfare.
Police is working with us.
They said the
yes, not Reddles.
Oh.
Currently, we have 4 police and 1 jeep. So them can't work with me.
They can't work with you. That's what the government. Yes. That is what the residents are saying. Constant Spring Police is here on the scene. 1-lane traffic. Right, the residents are out in numbers. The major thoroughfare. So Padmore bus would come down this road. Our bus would come down this road. Right, so it's blocked off. They are not letting in no vehicle to enter Sterling Castle. See there? That vehicle wants to turn and it cannot turn. It have to go straight up to Reddles to come back round, and that is about 2 miles up to come back round. They are not letting the vehicle in. They are not letting the vehicle in. Okay? They are telling them to go back down the road or go the long way. Right? So the residents are in control. The police is here, but they are helpless. Look at the police. They just park and looking. They are quite helpless because the residents has taken over and they are peeved that they will run the show. Nobody is coming in, nobody is going out. Only 1 lane of traffic coming down, 1 way coming down, and they have now told this driver that he has to turn back from where he cannot go into Sterling Castle. He has to turn back or go the long way. So the residents have taken control of West Rural St. Andrew. This part of Sterling Castle is 1-way traffic there. So the vehicle turning back there because they told him he cannot go. He cannot go in. He cannot, so he's turning back. The vehicle is turning back. I'm very concerned about the situation. The PEP exams, you know, is tomorrow and Wednesday. And this is what the children are going to have to face because our bus come down this road and the taxis come down this road to let up our children. And the roads are blocked, 3-way in the road. See, they're all up the top there. It's blocked. Okay? And they are letting through one. The residents are in control. The police is just parked up and watching. The residents are in control. I see a tractor coming. I don't know if it's clear them coming to clear or it's just past. They are passing through. So I'm here reporting on the developments in the constituency of West Rural St. Andrew, where Juliet Cuthbert is the Member of Parliament and Ruan Hall is the councillor of this area. We don't see nobody. No police, nobody. A constant Spring Police just have to come.
So Shante Skyers was last seen when she left for school on Thursday, April 11, as I said earlier, wearing her school uniform that's navy blue tunic with white blouse. She's of slim build, she's 3 foot 8 inches high, and she's from the Sterling Castle community. and she's 8 years old. Alright, so anyone have information about this missing child, you don't know if you call the police hotline on these things, because this is a sad thing for anyone, any parent, you know, to see happen. Alright, yeah. Anyways, just let me know what you think, you know, as always, you know, and if you're new to my channel, you can click the subscribe button to stay up to date and see what going on in and around the world. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see. Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.